Let's talk about things we love and hate. It helps us know each other better.
Good idea. I like talking about personal preferences.
I'll start. I love quiet mornings. I wake up early, drink coffee, and enjoy the silence.
Interesting. I don't like mornings at all. I feel sleepy and slow.
I also adore coffee. I can't imagine my day without it.
I like coffee too, but I dislike it when it's too bitter.
What about music?
I love music. I listen to it every day, especially when I'm driving.
I like music too, but I can't stand very loud music.
I understand. I don't like noise when I'm working or studying.
Same here. I really dislike crowded and noisy places.
I love traveling and visiting new cities,
Me too. I adore discovering new cultures and food.
but I can't stand long flights. They're uncomfortable.
I agree. I don't like sitting for many hours.
What about food?
I love homemade food. I like cooking when I have time.
I dislike cooking. I prefer eating out.
One thing I really can't stand is waiting in long lines.
Same. I don't like wasting time.
So we like many of the same things, but we dislike some others.
Exactly. That's what makes conversations interesting.